Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Smart Garden is probably one of the most exciting innovations for anyone looking to bring the joy and benefits of fresh, homegrown produce into their homes, regardless of space or gardening experience, offering a sustainable and convenient way to cultivate herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round right from your kitchen counter or living room. Number 5. Homegrown 15-pack Culinary Herb Seeds. Start your own herb garden with this all-in-one heirloom herb seeds kit. It includes 15 popular varieties, all USA sourced and tested for high germination. You can grow them anywhere, from your backyard to your windowsill, for fresh flavors all season long. These seeds thrive in hydroponic systems, AeroGarden, or traditional soil, making them perfect for apartment dwellers and urban gardeners. Grow fresh herbs year-round in containers as small as 4 inches, even without a backyard. This herb seed starter kit makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves fresh ingredients. It's perfect for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthdays, or housewarmings. Give the gift of fresh herbs that keeps on growing. Every seed is 100% non-GMO and heirloom, with germination rates above 85%. Even first-time gardeners can see results quickly. Grow unlimited fresh herbs for pennies, saving money compared to store-bought bunches. These herbs are versatile. Use them for cooking, brewing teas, making crafts, or even teaching kids about where food comes from. They also make beautiful kitchen decor. Enjoy fresh flavors and engaging activities. What we like. This option offers an incredible value with over 4,300 seeds across 15 different culinary herbs. If you're looking to grow a wide variety of herbs for cooking, teas, or crafts, and want to save money compared to buying fresh herbs, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for budget-conscious families and those who love to experiment with different flavors. What people say. These seeds have a great germination rate, with some seeds sprouting in as little as 3 days with the use of a heat mat and grow lights. Most of these seeds work great. I bought this set to use in my AeroGarden hydroponic garden, and I used 10 of the different seed varieties. Of the 10 I used, 8 of them sprouted perfectly and are thriving. Great variety of herbs in this pack. I've started a few in my hydroponic setup and they sprouted much faster than expected. Perfect for anyone wanting a fresh culinary garden. Number 4. Ahopegarden 10 Pods Hydroponics Growing System. Start your own indoor herb garden with ease. This system provides everything your plants need, including a water reservoir, LED grow light, and a circulation system to keep water fresh. Just add seeds, water, and nutrients, and watch them thrive. It offers 10 growing stations for your plants. A convenient see-through window lets you easily check the water level, so you know exactly when to refill. The full-spectrum grow light mimics natural sunlight. You can select 2 modes, one for vegetables and another for fruits and flowers, ensuring optimal growth for whatever you choose to cultivate. As your plants grow taller, you can adjust the height of the bright grow light up to 14.5 inches. It also features an automatic timer, running for 16 hours on and 8 hours off, so you don't have to worry about the lighting schedule. This compact system fits perfectly on your kitchen counter, allowing your family to grow fresh vegetables indoors all year long. It makes a wonderful gift that provides a continuous harvest. What we like. This system provides a streamlined hydroponic experience with 10 growing pods and an adjustable LED light that simulates sunlight. If you want to grow vegetables, fruits, or flowers indoors year-round with minimal effort, this is a great option. Its compact size makes it perfect for kitchen countertops, allowing families to enjoy fresh produce conveniently. What people say. It comes with everything you need to get started, including the plastic pods holders, peat soil cones, plant food, and tweezers. I didn't have to buy any extra starter supplies. The pumping system is much simplified, but just as effective, and the timer is foolproof and doesn't have all the fussy electronics. Setup was quick and easy, and the instructions were clear even for someone who's new to hydroponics. Within days I started seeing strong, healthy growth, and now I'm harvesting fresh herbs and greens right from my kitchen. Number 3. MUFGA 12 Pods Indoor Hydroponics Growing System. Experience gardening like never before. Our system uses advanced LED lights to help your plants grow up to 5 times faster than traditional soil methods, regardless of the season. Bring life and flavor into your home. Cultivate up to 12 of your favorite herbs, vegetables, or flowers right in your kitchen, enjoying fresh produce even in winter. Ensure your plants get the perfect amount of light at every stage. The adjustable lighting system adapts to your plant's needs, promoting vigorous growth. Our integrated pump creates a continuous water circulation, enriching the water with oxygen. This ensures a healthy environment for your plants to thrive in, giving you full control. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied within 60 days, our customer service team is ready to help resolve any issues you may have. What we like. This hydroponic system boasts 12 pods and high-performance LED lights that accelerate plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil. If you're looking for a system that maximizes yield and allows you to grow a variety of herbs, veggies, or flowers indoors, even in winter, this is an excellent pick. It's designed for those who want a consistent supply of fresh produce. What people say. Easy to set up, has everything you need, just have to find a place to set up, and source some seeds for your favorite veggies, herbs, and flowers. Work well to root cuttings too. Plants are coming up strong and vigorous. This MUFGA system has a high light reach, which will keep my tomatoes growing without snipping them. It also has holes for supports or labels, whichever you wish. Great plant spacing, great light height, water supplies to each pod, and 2 settings for flowers or vegetables. It does everything for you, waters, turn the light on and off at the correct time. The plants are growing so fast and healthy. Number 2. Click and Grow Smart Garden Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. Our energy-efficient LED grow lights ensure your plants thrive, regardless of the season or weather. Getting started is simple. Just add the plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in. This self-watering planter makes growing easy. Explore over 50 pre-seeded plant pods, from basil and cilantro to chili peppers and lavender. You can even use seedless pods to grow your own favorites. You don't need any gardening experience to succeed. This smart garden makes growing effortless for everyone. Once your herbs and veggies are grown, you can easily transplant them. Move them to your favorite indoor or outdoor planters to continue enjoying them. What we like. This smart garden offers an incredibly easy entry into indoor gardening, requiring just pods, water, and plugging it in. If you're a beginner gardener, short on time, or simply want a foolproof way to grow herbs and vegetables, this is the system for you. Its user-friendly design and wide variety of plant pod options make it accessible for anyone wanting fresh greens at home. What people say. It simplifies the growing process. There's no need to set timers or add fertilizer manually. The design of Click and Grow is both stylish and practical, built to last, no LCD screen that might malfunction, and the light arms are sturdy. It has a really high-quality grow light and actually looks cute in the kitchen. The grow light can go taller as your plant grows. Number 1. LETPOT LPH-SE Hydroponics Growing System. Elevate your indoor gardening with our patented smart hydroponic system. Control lighting schedules and watering reminders easily through our exclusive app, making plant care simpler than ever. Experience up to 40% faster plant growth with our advanced 24W full-spectrum LED system. It mimics natural sunlight, ensuring healthy growth in any season, all managed conveniently through the app. Tailor your plant's environment with 2 professional LED growing modes. Whether it's for vegetative growth or blooming, you have full control via the app to meet their specific needs. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for 12 plants, from cups and nutrients to an adjustable LED light and a large water tank. Enjoy up to 3 weeks of growth without watering. Crafted with premium stainless steel and durable resin, this system is built to last. Benefit from lifetime service and ongoing app and hardware upgrades for a seamless experience. What we like. This is a patented smart hydroponic system that offers advanced control via an app and Wi-Fi, ensuring optimal light schedules and watering reminders. If you're a tech-savvy gardener who wants precise control over your indoor garden and desires up to 40% faster growth, this system is ideal. Its adjustable light and large water tank make it suitable for growing a variety of plants year-round with minimal intervention. What people say. The hardware itself performs great. The light height offers ample distance for my needs, and the cleanup process is incredibly easy. The LETPOT Grow Deck is slightly larger than the one on AG Bounty models, with room for 3 additional pods, 12 pods in LETPOT, 9 in AG Bounty. And the water bowl tank is also larger. LETPOT's bowl can hold up to 5.5 liters versus the AG Bounty's 1 gallon or 3.79 liters capacity. The larger size is a nice bonus because more room means I can grow even more and/or larger plants. And the grow light support rod extends 30 inches high, which is 6 inches taller than Ahopegarden Bounty. This was a major selling point for me because this much height allows enough room to a greater variety of different plants, and also enables me to avoid pruning taller plants as drastically, which, in theory, will also result in greater yield. The app works surprisingly well, and it's a pleasure to use. I had no trouble at all in connecting the system to our Wi-Fi and to my iPhone and iPad. Connected on the first try, and had everything set up in less than a few minutes. The app is so much better than the app Ahopegarden had. With the LETPOT app I'm able to turn the light and pump on off, test the pump, keep track of days planted, label each plant pod, adjust the time, set an audible alarm for low water, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.